Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this animated message pop-up text in CapCut PC. I'm just going to go to text here and I'll go to text templates and I'll see if they have like a text template that's like text messages. Here I'll try to find one. Maybe it's in technology. Okay, maybe not. Oh, it's probably in message, right? Like, here I'm just going to select this one. Okay, I'm going to select the text here. And you can also change what it says. Maybe it says something else like, which one's now? Oh. Have a great day. I'm gonna call it there. I don't know, you can do anything you want, of course. Go to media, go to library, and I'm just going to select this here. I'm going to place it like to the left. I'm going to go to the video. Let's just make it a little bit darker so you can see it. Select the message here. Right click, create compound clip. Go to animation and select an in animation, and you're going to select the slide down animation, which is here. Maybe like 0.6 seconds. Then go to audio, go to the sound effects, and type in bell ding. You won't be able to hear it because I have the audio off, but they're just going to add it when the message is sent. So like right about here. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!